Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we will learn how we can create a navbar in Tailwind CSS. Navbar means navigation links on the top of the page. So we will try to create that navbar, a simple navbar, not some fancy item or something. So we will try to use Tailwind CSS for that. Let's see how we can do that. Let me go to the code. Okay, so this is the plain HTML as of now. There is no element inside it. So if you want to know how to install Tailwind CSS, then I already have made a video on that, so you can check that video in my Tailwind CSS playlist. And to learn more about Tailwind CSS, you can go through that playlist. There are multiple topics there which I have created videos on, so you can go and check out the Tailwind CSS playlist for installation and every other learning purpose. So we will not cover installation in this, or you can, without installation also, you can use Tailwind CSS. You can just add this CDN link on top of your HTML and you are good to go with Tailwind CSS. So now let's start to create some navbar now. Okay, so as you can see, our page is blank as of now. We will slowly start building it. Okay, so initially I have to take a div. Let me take a div. Okay, so now we will add some anchor links. Let me create some anchor. Okay, this is the anchor and it will say href. Initially I will keep it hash for everything because we are not setting routing or anything. So I'm just showing you the CSS part. So we will give some class. We say text white should be there. Sorry, text white. Okay, text will be white, and on hover it should change something, to some gray part or something. Text, sorry, I forgot to write hover here. Yeah, so I will select gray 300. Okay, so this is our home link. Okay, and similarly I will create different links also. This is home, this is about. Okay, this is products, this is contact, a simple navbar function. So let me show you how it looks now. Okay, so it is looking very bad, guys. Okay, so everything you can't see because everything is gray out. So first of all we have, okay, so we have to make it a nav. Basically let's make it nav. Okay, because that will be easy for SEO also. Nav. Okay, we have a nav tag also. So nav, now we will give some background color to it because white is not looking good. Busy blue. Okay, and I will give some padding. Let's see how it looks now first. Okay, now it looking better. So I will give the padding now because it is very there is no space between these text and the border. So let me give some padding. P4 is, I think P4 will be suitable. Yeah, okay, so P4 I'm giving this padding. Now it is looking better. Okay, so now we have to give our company name or website name in the left, and we have to place these nav items in the right. Okay, so for that basically we have to add another div. So this is the div, and inside it should be my website. Okay, this should be my website. Okay, the name of my website. Yeah, okay, but we have to place these letters in the right. So for that I have to first make it some color should be white because black is not looking good. Text white. Sorry, text white. Okay, now we will see text white, then we will make font bold. Okay, and text little bit large. Okay, that's it. Now let's see how it looks now. Looking much better now. So somehow we have to place it in the right. Okay, so now we will apply some classes to this. So let's make let's get all these anchor inside a container basically, first of all, because we want to send them in the right. So we have to make we have to contain these all anchors in a container, right? So let's do one thing, div, okay, and then now I will give some classes to this div. I will say this is flex. I will first of all I will create this div as a flex. Okay, now I will give some space between items. Don't worry guys, if you keep using Tailwind CSS, you will also be familiar with the classes. So after some time you will be familiar. Let me see how it looks. Yeah, so if you can see the space is there in between these elements. So now we have to place in the right side. Okay, so what we can do now, so let me align these items. Now it's looking better. Okay, so I think guys there are two divs now. This is navbar, and inside this navbar there are two divs, 1 and 2. So we have to create a separate container, and that container should be a flex type, and then that container will align these two divs accordingly. One div will be in the left and other will be in the right. Okay, so let's try to do that. Okay, so now I will create a div. Okay, this is the div. Now this div will be inside it. Let me give some classes to this div. First of all, we have to make it a container, because container will get all the 100% height, 100% width. If you see, container means 100% width. Okay, now we will give some padding also. Sorry, margin auto should be there in right, margin auto. So for margin auto, mx auto, so it will give you margin auto. So margin left auto and margin right auto, right? Now I will create it as a flex. Okay, this is flex container now. After creating it as a flex, so let's see how it looks. Yeah, okay, now it is looking better. Okay, but we have to somehow send these items in the right. Okay, so we have to align these item center. Okay, now still it is in the right. Okay, so one more thing I have to do, justify between, I think justify between. So yeah, it will give space between these items. Yes, okay, now it is looking good finally. Oh, do I need to do anything else in this? So I think guys we are done. This is my website name is the left, and these nav items in the right, and on hover we are able to change these text color. Now it is getting grayed out after hovering on the element, right? So let me quickly explain what we have done so far. So this class is body background, so we just grayed out all the background color, and then we took a nav item, because nav item are defined for navbar. So this is a SEO friendly nav item. So okay, so inside this nav item we have created two divs, basically one div. One div will create everything inside it. So this is the main container div. So we have given container id to container class to this div, and then we have set margin auto for left and right, and then we have created this as a flex, then item center and justify between. Okay, to give some space between these items. Okay, then inside this main container there are two divs. So one div will be for the website name, that will go in the left, and other div will be containing all the anchor tags. Okay, so in left div we have give text white, that is very obvious. So and we have made the font bold, and we have increased some font size, text large basically. Okay, and in second div where we have given anchor tags, so we have created it is a flex, and then give some space to all the elements, right? This will give the space inside this div. Now we have created anchor tag, and anchor tag hover on anchor tag we have given white color, and on hover we are giving grayed out this anchor tag. One more thing you can do, you can add href as a link. So if I add if I say about, this is about, then it is products, and this is contact us. Okay, so it should be contact us. Okay, so this we can also give. So if I check here, if we click on about, then it will give about. If I use products, then it should products, and contact us should be contact us. Okay guys, that's it for this video. So this video is all about to creating a navbar using Tailwind CSS. So I hope you got some idea how we can create navbar in Tailwind CSS. If you have any question or something, you can write in the comment section. I will reply you. And if you want to learn more about Tailwind CSS, then there is a playlist I have already created, and you can go and check out that playlist. And thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.